Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Klarna app crashing on Android or iPhone. First, close the app completely. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the Klarna app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few while and reopen it again. If it keeps crashing, go to your phone settings, open apps, select Klarna and clear the app cache. Clearing the apps cache is only available in Android, so if you're an iPhone, try different methods. Next, restart your phone and try using the app again. Also, head over to your App Store or your Play Store and check if there is a new update available in the App Store and install it if there is an update available. If problems continues, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store or Play Store and reinstall the app again. In most cases, reinstalling or updating the app solves the issue. That's how you fix the Klarna app crashing on Android or iPhone.